Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop series. Today is a freestyle project, which means there's no restrictions, no challenges. I have a lot of materials to create a piece that I have in my mind. All I have to do is just make it. This is one of the darkest pieces I've done in a while, but it's very representative of something that I think we all struggle with. When we choose to not speak out, we choose to bottle up our sadness, our anger, and then it manifests into something negative. And I wanted an art piece that represented that. And in a very abstract way, this cardboard piece that I was about to recycle kind of reminded me of a house. So that was where the idea for this art piece today sprung from. Next week is the Collage Challenge. This is the first time I've done this on the workshop series, where I'll be taking images from magazines and making a whole new image out of it. Till next week, see ya.